Soft-Lite brings to the table 85 years of experience in the window industry, which there's very few companies that actually have that wealth of knowledge from being around for so long. What I like best about Soft-Lite is the company culture and their focus on customer service. I believe as a company, Visionaire Windows, we share a lot of the same core values that Soft-Lite does. When you get a good company culture that care about the end results, they care about the customer. So that trickles all the way down through the customer service team, the people that, the employees working on the factory and producing that product. So each step cares about the final product in their own way, and so that's how they're able to produce such a good product.
I like the fact that they brought everyone in the room to meet Josh and I, and really had just a feel of family. And I just really felt like they had great communication and that they really were collaborating well together, both admin and production. That was what I was really impressed about. They're constantly checking tolerances. They're making sure that they're not putting a product out there that's all loosey-goosey. It definitely has, that 1/32 margin of error. And you can really tell in the end result. It was just a really nice fit.
Their advantage of those tolerances that they do, they only allow a 1/32 tolerance. They're constantly calibrating and monitoring the machines and the measurements to keep their tolerances really, really tight, which is, I didn't see that in some of the other factory tours that I've done, so I can really appreciate that. They do a horizontal 4-point weld simultaneously. Which again is one of the reasons they're able to gain those tight 1/32 inch tolerances. And Sturt's is actually, they have a location just down the street from the Soft-Lite factory. So they're able to monitor remotely all the tolerances of their machines, and if need to, come over and adjust them in a very quick manner.
The one feature that stood out to me was the mortise-in dam, which is really important for water intrusion. That's kind of the one thing a lot of other manufacturers skip over, not to mention the multiple points of sealing they have property, and the air infiltration. It just really speaks to their specs. The air infiltration rating is just, there's nothing out there to reach that. They solidly fill all the chambers, not only of the jamb, but also the sash frame, where it's a complete fill, not insert that some other manufacturers will do. And it just is a nice solid fill, and it just was, to me, the best way of doing that. What I believe to be the benefit for us partnering with Soft-Lite is going to be the overall performance of the window and the delivery and the overall experience that they have and they offer, customer first. And we just really feel like that's something that they're going to bring to the table like no other manufacturer.
I believe offering Soft-Lite Windows will benefit Visionaire Windows in many different ways. One is just a true partnership with them. By doing things in-house, they do control their lead times, so our lead times should go down, and getting us product faster will help turn those lead times down a little bit as well. But just partnering with a company that truly cares about the customer and the end result, just like we do, will benefit us in the long run.